In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best heat press machine 15x15 available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The TUSY heat press machine is designed for customers who require a simple-to-operate heat press. It comes with everything you'll need to get started printing on a variety of materials and objects. The first step is to adjust the unit's pressure based on the item you want to print on. You might wish to experiment with different pressures for different items before printing on the real thing. Then, before transferring the print to the item, modify the time and temperature until it reaches the required temperature. When the printing is finished, it sounds an alert. A heating plate is 15 by 15 inches in diameter, which is typical for most machines. You'll have enough room to print even the largest t-shirts on such a platform. In addition, the equipment has a portable design that improves accuracy. To prevent accidents, the machine's overheat prevention feature turns it off when the temperature rises too high. This heat press can be used to make bags, t-shirts, puzzles, tiles, blankets, and a variety of other flat things. It effortlessly transfers images and characters onto a variety of materials, including cotton and flax. We have the Fancierstudio Power Heat Press in second position. The Fancierstudio Power Heat Press has a 15 by 15 inches working area and comes with a heat press sheet. It has a comparable build and form factor to most heat press machines. The machine will require 110 volts of power and can output up to 18 watts of power, which should be plenty for applications such as t-shirt printing. The Fancierstudio Power Heat Press has a temperature range of 0 to 699 degrees Fahrenheit, which may be applied for anywhere between 0 and 15 minutes. On the machine, there are separate controllers for the period of application as well as heat controllers for exact outcomes. Additionally, the pressure can be controlled by adjusting the level on top of the machine. This machine comes with a 2-year brand warranty from Fancierstudio. A simple digital interface on the PowerPress heat print allows you to choose the temperature range and time range. The temperature is 32 to 455 degrees Fahrenheit, and the time is 0 to 999 seconds. You will receive precise measurements with the electronic heat and time control. The device has industrial strength and other features that enable it to transfer your prints to the very last line. A temperature monitoring chip safeguards the device from stress and overheating. You can personalize tiles, t-shirts, mousepads, hoodies, and other flat things with the machine. It also features a 17.5 inches long arm handle. The rubber covering on the handle provides you with the grip and protection you require. The pressure and heat adjustment knobs are simple to operate, and it's complemented by a digital display. The unit features a specific American plug to keep you and the item you're working on safe. It contains a Teflon-coated heat plate that guarantees equal pressure on the thing you're working on while also preventing burns. When purchasing a productive machine such as a heat press machine, it is wise to choose a premium option. Premium brands, such as Homedex, provide you access to a slew of extra features. Take a look at the Homedex heat press machine if you need a permanent heat press machine for your work. It has a 15 by 15 inches wide working bed and a temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of applications. Furthermore, the provided handle is exceptionally ergonomic, allowing you to manipulate the machine with ease and security. The major feature is the handle's 360-degree rotation, which keeps you protected from harm. When it comes to the heated work, you can easily set it aside to reduce the risk of an accident. The Homedex heat press machine's control panel features an LCD display with time and temperature options, as well as onboard buttons to set these parameters. A Homedex heat press machine has a time range of 0 to 999 seconds and a total power output of 14 watts. In terms of warranty, Homedex offers a 265-day warranty on this product. Another great option is the TUSY 15x15 swing-away shell TUSY heat sublimation heat press machine, which combines adaptability with a low price tag. This machine is ideal for personal usage at home because it has all of the advanced functionality you need while maintaining a user-friendly interface. The TUSY heat press machine features a full-range pressure adjustment knob, which is ideal for people who need to work with a variety of material thicknesses. The press's temperature range is 0 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for home use but may be restrictive for small businesses. We like the huge work surface and find it to be quite user-friendly, thus we recommend it to any hobbyist. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.